Okay, when you have located your kiln and put it into position, to connect the controller, you'll have a 10-pin plug which only fits in one way. So press that in, and then there's a clip underneath which will hold it securely in place. And then the controller itself has a bracket that you can put on the wall and put that onto the wall where you can use it. Okay, when loading your kiln with the kiln furniture, you'll get some little spacers like this which you put on the blocks on the bottom of your kiln. If you have a larger chamber kiln, you will use more spacers. Then put on a kiln shelf, and that then becomes the base of your kiln. Make sure it's even both sides so you have air circulation up both sides. Then you can load your items, leaving a gap between each one of about 1 to 1.5 inches. Place your props in line with the spacers that you put on in the first place, so that you don't stress or bend the kiln shelves, and try and put them in evenly. So if you have 2 layers, then 2 even spaces. If you have 3 layers, then 3 even spaces. And that is how you load your kiln. Okay, so when you've loaded the kiln, just close the door and put the catches on and make them finger tight. Then go down to the interlock switch and press that in and turn it 90 degrees, and that makes the electrical connection to the elements inside. To turn the controller on, it takes its power from the kiln, but there is an on-off switch underneath. And when it comes up, it will show you the thermocouple type and the type of control that it is, then show you the ambient temperature. Okay, what I'm going to demonstrate is the ST3300/2. We do other versions, we do the -3 and 4 and 5, which all have different functions. The 3300/2 has 10 program memory with 4 segments in each program. The 3300/3 has 10 programs but has 16 segments in each program. And to choose them, all you do is select the arrow facing right, which gives you the program number. When you press it again, it will give you the option of a delay time that you can choose in hours and minutes. Then a degrees per hour, again you can change up or down. To a set point, again you can change up or down. And then you have the option of a hold at that point. And then you have the second segment in degrees per hour. Again, you can choose up or down, and your target temperature, and the option of a hold there. Then you move on to segment 3, and it runs through the same way, degrees per hour to a set point with a hold. You can choose a segment 4, which again, you choose a degrees per hour rate to the top temperature and the option of a hold. And then at the end, when it says end, that is the end of the program. And to run the program, all you do is press the reset button at the bottom, which gives you the ambient temperature. Press it again and the program will start. You'll get a little light showing that the kiln is heating. When the elements engage, then the light on the side will come on, and it will just keep on showing you a constant display in the window of the temperature going up and coming down. If you want to stop the program at any time, you can pause it or just press the reset and that will stop it.